If you eat avocados every day, here's what will happen to your body. First of all, your heart will thank you, because the healthy fats in avocados will help keep your cardiovascular system healthy. By reducing LDL cholesterol levels, they minimize the risk of heart disease. What's more, your eyes will benefit from the lutein present in avocados, as it protects against the harmful effects of UV rays and helps prevent age-related macular degeneration. As the weeks go by, you'll notice that your weight management improves. The healthy fats and fiber in avocados will give you lasting satiety while stabilizing your blood sugar levels, helping to control cravings. Improve your memory. The omega-3 fatty acids in avocados promote memory and concentration by improving cerebral blood circulation. Your skin, meanwhile, will glow with health thanks to avocado vitamins and antioxidants. By adopting this habit, you'll support healthy digestion and reduce inflammation in your body. So add an avocado to your diet.
Thank you for watching.